Namaskar, a very good evening to all my viewers. Now, as you all know, that today is a 7th May, and this 7th May it is celebrated as Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. Now, Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, he was born on 7th May 1861, and he was a very noble laureate, philosopher, writer, and dramatist. His philosophy, his musical persona, his writings, his way of ideology and perception, it really touches the heart of each and every individual of our country. He has also written a national anthem, and whenever national anthem sung by each and every individual, it really gives it ignites the patriotic feeling inside the conscience of each and every individual. By the word, by the sin of Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, it really it shocks the heart of each and every individual. He was also founded the Brahmo Samaj, and he wanted to eradicate all the social evils which are prevalent in the society. He wanted to make the society educated, knowledgeable, and by the imprint of his philosophy, his songs like Akla Chalo Re and the other songs, Bengali songs which he has sung, it really being sung by each and every individual. And the song Akla Chalo Re, which he has written, it really describes that in any kind of difficult situation, the human being is born alone in the world, and he has to move alone. He does not have to take help of anyone. The individual human being, he has to suffer for many kind of difficulties and tyranny, but still he don't have to give up. But he has to move in a predetermined direction with a deterministic goal. So, what I mean to say that Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, he has really imprinted his uh, his divine image inside the conscience of each and every individual. That is why we remember Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji today. Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, he has also got a Nobel Prize by writing the this novel Gitanjali, and his way of writing, his way of the perceptions which he has written in the philosophy, it really imbibes his knowledge and his thinking about this particular country, real country. The songs, the Bengali songs, and whatever the drama, the poetry which he has written, it is really very appraising, and it really brings the real picture of our country, India. So our India is very fortunate that in in this holy and pure and divine India, they have given birth to such type of legends and the luminaries which are there in this country, India. They have really put the level of India, and they have really upheld and uplift the status of India into the more flying colors. So today on this Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti, I wish you and I congratulate you all a happy Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. And definitely on every 7th May we used to celebrate the birthday of Rabindranath Tagore ji, who has really done a very remarkable, and his contribution to the drama, to the literary, to the philosophy, it's unforgettable, and we always remember to the divine and the pure and authentic and sincere and magnifying and the electrifying personality, Sri Rabindranath Tagore ji, and he always be in our heart, and we always remember his drama, his poetry, and his contribution to the Indian world. So I once again wish you all a very happy Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti, and I hope that you really move on the path of Sri Gurudev Ji, Sri Rabindranath Tagore Ji, and definitely one day we will definitely get success in all in every endeavors. So, and by these political thinkers and these thinkers and philosophers and guiders who have really contributed to the country, by their Jayanti and by their birthday, we can able to know that what contribution they have done to the society. So I wish you all a happy Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti. Thank you and Namaskar.